Hello everyone and welcome to class of implementing Ethernet virtual LANs. In this class today we are going to discuss about implementing Ethernet virtual LANs. A LAN includes all user devices, servers, switches, routers, cables and wireless access points in one location. A LAN includes all devices in the same broadcast domain. A broadcast domain includes the set of all LAN connected devices so that when any of the devices sends a broadcast frame, all the other devices gets a copy of that frame. With VLANs, a switch can configure some interfaces into one broadcast domain and some into other, which creates multiple broadcast domains. These individual broadcast domains created by the switch are called as virtual LANs or VLANs. Reason for choosing to create a smaller broadcast domain: to reduce the CPU overhead on each device, improving host performance and reducing the number of devices that receives each broadcast frame. To reduce the security risk, to improve security for host. This is also created to create more flexible designs, to solve the problems more quickly, to reduce the workload for the STP. Creating multi-switch VLANs using trunking. We can configure each port to tell if the VLAN number to which port belongs. When we are using VLANs in the network that have multiple interconnected switches, which needs to use VLAN trunking on the links between the switches. VLAN tagging concepts. VLAN trunking creates one link between the switches which supports as many VLANs as we required it. The use of trunking allows switches to forward frames from multiple VLANs over a single physical connection by adding a small header to the Ethernet frame. We can create VLAN. We have steps. To configure new VLAN, we have steps. Like from the configuration mode, we have to use the VLAN ID command to create the VLAN and then move the user into configuration mode. Then we can show VLAN brief command. For trunking administrated mode option, we have command option, access, trunk, dynamic desirable and dynamic auto options for this. VTP is a trunking protocol. VTP is Cisco tool on the Cisco switches that advertises each VLAN configured in one switch so that other switches in the campus learn about that VLAN. Cisco Catalyst switches today supports 802.1Q and not ISL for this. Thank you.